Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Right, we're right in the middle of working on the Giulietta and I am doing the suspension top mount on the offside front, and I was going to try and do that without taking the lower wishbone off, but upon further inspection I found that the lower wishbone, even though it's only 18 months old, something like that, that the actual boot had been split. So as you can see here, it's totally split, and that will fail the MOT. So I could buy another lower arm. I think they're like about 80 quid, but this one is perfect. All the bushes are perfect. I say it's not very old, and it seems a bit of a waste. So what I've done, I bought this. So this is a ball joint, which you basically, if the ball joint is broken, rather than again replacing the lower arm, you can just fit this. You can grind off these and you get bolts and you bolt it on. But of course I don't need to do that because my ball joint is perfect. I mean, it doesn't, yeah, you can't move it. So what I'm going to do is take the boot off of this one and put it in there, because as you can see there's these little metal, it's like almost like circlips I suppose, but they're not. They're just sprung wire top and bottom, just to keep the boot located in the bottom, and this one just stops it riding up. So you can see this one is totally gone. Now you can buy a boot, kind of a general boot set, which comes with 4 various boots, but I didn't know if they would fit and if it would be right, and for the same money, i.e. 11 quid, I bought this. So, you know, if this doesn't work, I've got a backup plan, which is to undo this and fit this. But we're not going to do that because I'm pretty sure it's going to work. You literally just get a pick and take these out very carefully without puncturing it, and then we'll just swap it back in. Obviously we'll put some more grease in here first, and then this will go back on, and we'll go back to the other video of me fitting it back in, and hopefully the suspension will go back in correctly. It's all ready to go, and then we can get on with the next job, which will be sorting this headlight out. Okay, now as you can see, let's have a look, show you how bad this is. It's pretty hard, it's worse than I thought. It's pretty much split all the way around. Look. I think we caught that just in time. Yeah, look how bad it is. So first of all, let's see. I'm not overly worried about getting this out neatly, but it might be good to have a backup option. But you can just see there, hopefully that's focused, you can just see the edge of the kind of the split metal clip. So all we're going to do is take a pick like this, and let me just put that down there. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's so tight I can't even move it. I'll just check that. Okay, just check this does actually move before I do anything. Oh yeah, it does. There you go. Yeah. Right, so it's all good. Just needs a bit of grease in there. There's a little bit dry. Right, so let's just get this pick. Oh, I almost had it like that. You see, and then you just lift it up round like that. One off there. There you go. Simple as that. There you go, that's one pick, one off. Then this should just pop out now. I'll use this for this because it doesn't matter. Now there you go, look. There you go. And the top one you can just leave in because it's a... There you go. And that's simple enough, and you can see it's really bad. Hello everyone. Hope you're enjoying the video. Anyway, enough of that. So I'm just going to clean this out, get rid of this old grease, and then put some nice new stuff in. So you'll come back to me in a minute. Okay, so I've just filled this with some grease. I know someone's going to ask, what type of grease did you use? So I've used this. This is Liffey Moly grease for CV and ball joints and stuff like that. I've had that for donkeys, so it lasts a long time. Put that away. Right, so off camera I just took off the ball joint, the new ball joint. See, you see there's not a lot of grease in that one, that's brand new. But anyway, taking the ball joint, this cover off, I've left, as you can see, I've left the top clip in, because you don't need to take that one out. Okay, and there's that should fit, and you can see that fits in that recess there, okay, which then goes in that recess there, and that holds the ball joint. So what you do, take your boot, slide it down on top of the ball joint, okay, like that. Give it a bit of a twist and make sure get it all located in. There you go. Did you hear a nice pop then where it went in? So it's that bit there. It's not quite in. So I'm just eyeballing it. Yeah, what's this? There. Okay, so all the way around, because you don't want any dirt getting in there. Might be easier, might not be. Let's see. We get that into there, and then round like that. There you go. Boom. So it's easier if you put the lower arm in a vise, because then you just can't move it, and you can just see once you get one bit in, you just go round with your pick and you just slide it in. So there you can see it's located in the groove. So there you go, hope you like that quick video, how to change a rubber boot on a ball joint in 5 minutes or so, not too bad, and if you've got a good ball joint, there's no need to replace it, so you're saving yourself longer. Right, I've got to crack back onto the Giulietta, get this lower wishbone arm fitted in, get the suspension fitted in, and then we're on to the next job. So thanks for watching, don't forget to tune in for the next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.